A1 IBRO Garage Door and Lock Corporation. We provide 24/7 emergency service for both residential and commercial clients, as well as door opener repairs and replacements. We offer maintenance agreements and provide a warranty on all parts replaced. We recommend, sell, and install LiftMaster openers, but we provide service for broken rollers, cables, pulleys, and springs. A1 IBRO also installs and services Clopay commercial rolling gates and sectional doors. See our showroom or call us anytime for emergency service, 914-698-0303.